Hello. I did a video yesterday, which is on my YouTube, regarding financial instability that is going to come with the upcoming Saturn transit into Pisces. See, Saturn is transiting into Pisces after the lunar eclipse and before the solar eclipse. Now, as we all know, solar eclipses are new beginnings, new starts, new trends, fresh energy. And lunar eclipses are endings, culminations of the old. So the lunar eclipse is going to happen mid-March, after which we are going to see the Saturn transit into Pisces around 29th end of March, and then will come the solar eclipse in the first week of April. Now, Saturn is a very traditional kind of a sign. It is practical, it's a stern taskmaster, and it is all about structure, about rules. It's a very karmic kind of energy that Saturn brings into play. And Pisces is very dreamy, impractical. It is a spaced out kind of a sign. So I think this energy is going to bring a lot of upheavals, lot of uncertainty into the market. It is going to bring market corrections, regulatory crackdown, and ultimately, because Saturn is in play, there is going to be a shift towards something stable. But during the transit, and I think for the most part of the 2 years that Saturn is going to stay in Pisces, we are going to see increased volatility, both in stock markets and cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. Saturn in Pisces means regulation and restrictions. Government may impose stricter rules in crypto exchanges, taxation, privacy laws. As per my assessment, Bitcoin and altcoin both may see major price corrections during early 2026. 2025 could bring hype cycles, but long-term holders will outperform short-term traders. So if you're in for the short ride, if you're gambling, be very careful. Now let me talk about the stock market trends. My key predictions are market correction and volatility. Saturn's influence is going to slow down economic growth. It's going to cause market fluctuations. Sectors like tech, fintech, and startups will find it hard to obtain fundings. Sensex and Nifty both may experience periodic corrections. The best performing sectors in 2025 to 2027 are going to be pharmaceuticals and healthcare, renewable energy, solar, wind, battery, and tech related to these things. Gold and precious metals, of course, because Saturn is very traditional. And interestingly, IT and AI automation. This is going to grow despite market stress. This is one of the clear growth sectors that I can see. And the sectors that are going to see financial challenges are banking and financial services, real estate, construction, travel, and aviation. Business travel is definitely going to go down. However, I see travel related to spirituality, travel related to holistic healthcare on the rise. Now, let's examine cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. The key predictions. You can expect significant price corrections in early 2026. There are going to be rules and regulations after that. There is going to be a rise in stable assets in CBDCs. What I see is certain governments, particularly China, ASEAN, India, They are going to promote CBDCs. And institutional investors are going to stop investing in volatile markets and go in for gold, silver, and AI driven funds. AI driven funds are going to be backed by government also. My overview of the timeline of crypto market trends. 2025 earlier, Bitcoin will rally due to ETF approvals. 2026 mid-year onwards, major corrections and regulatory pressure. 2027, I think, is going to be a recovery phase. All extraneous products, the weak products, are going to vanish from the market, and certain steady currencies will stay. Now, let me talk about the planetary influence on Bitcoin 2025 to 2027. Saturn enters Pisces in March 2025. From there onwards to June 2027, there will be regulations, there will be taxation, and the get rich quick schemes will collapse. There will be very less speculative booms. Jupiter is already in Taurus. Jupiter came into Taurus in May 2024, and it is there in Taurus till May 2025. And this has been a protective influence on Bitcoin. This protectiveness is going to vanish after May 2025. So be careful. Then there is Rahu Ketu axis. Rahu Ketu axis is in Pisces Virgo until May 2025. And it is going to move to Aquarius Leo from May 2025 onwards. There are going to be significant changes in regulation. And we cannot ignore the influence of the eclipses on the market. March 14th, I see a drop in BTC, roughly about 10 to 15%, I think. September 7th, 2025, when there is a solar eclipse in Leo, there will be a sudden price drop. March 3rd, 2026, lunar eclipse in Leo. This is going to cause a major crypto shakeup. BTC may be hit. February 20th, 2027. This is lunar eclipse in Leo. The BTC recovery phase begins. That is roughly the overview, but let me give it to you in detail. 2025 earlier, Bitcoin may rally, but 2026 mid-year onwards, there is major correction, regulation, and possibly financial crackdown. 2027 is the recovery phase, long-term adoption, and Bitcoin stability. Bitcoin, I think, will in 2027 see a comeback, but weak currencies are going to disappear. So if you have any other cryptos, you can look to sell, to disinvest yourself from them. Best time to sell would be before March 2026. This is the major corrections phase. Best time to buy is mid to late 2026. And best long-term hold period, which is basically accumulation of Bitcoin, is after February 2027. Because in 2028, 2029, I see gains in Bitcoin. Now let's see stock market trends, India and Southeast Asia. The market correction and volatility, there is slower growth with periodic market corrections. Sectors like tech startups and fintech will face funding issues definitely. There is a growth in Bitcoin will likely peak in early 2025, but will face heavy corrections later. 2026 will be a bearish year due to regulatory changes and economic slowdowns. Long-term holders will benefit by buying during late 2026 and watch out for major eclipse dates. March and September 2025, March 2026, these are going to cause price swings. 2027 is definitely a recovery year. It is going to lead to a new bull run in 2028. Astrologically, what are the best times for you to invest? Fire signs. Fire signs are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The best time to invest is mid 2026 when the prices dip for 2027 gains. Earth signs, you should go for steady accumulation. When the prices dip in 2026, buy for the long term. Air signs, for you it is favorable to invest early 2025 and after 2027. Water signs, I think you should go for long term stability and invest in privacy coins. As per sidereal astrology, let me give you a reasoning for my plan of investment. Fire signs, you are high risk takers. You are naturally bold, impulsive, and risk friendly. But Saturn's influence requires strategic and disciplined approach to crypto investing. Aries, avoid impulsive trading, focus on long-term holdings. Market volatility in 2025, 2026 could cause losses if you over leverage. The best investment periods for you is mid 2026. Buy when the prices dip, hold for 2027, 2028 gains. Avoid day trading. Avoid emotional buying during bull runs. Leo, Singh, you need to diversify your investments. Don't put everything in crypto. You have this risk, you might enter too late. And when you enter too late, it is always because you are having FOMO, the fear of missing out. The best investment period for you, Leo, is early 2025 during the bull run, and you need to hold long term till 2028. Avoid speculative altcoins. Stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sagittarius, your strategy should be to invest in projects with global adoption, not just hype. Research your investment carefully. You might be susceptible to misleading trends. Be careful, avoid scams. Jupiter is in Gemini 2025 to 2026, and this may make you susceptible to misleading trends. So you need to avoid scams. The best investment period for you, accumulate during 2026 lows and hold for 2027 gains. Avoid high leverage margin trading. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You all are conservative investors. Earth signs prefer security and stability. And Saturn in Pisces will push you more towards practicality. You should avoid speculation of any sort. Go for practical investments. Taurus, stick to bitcoins and stable coins rather than altcoins. The risk is that you are going to hesitate, and this hesitation will make you miss out on short-term gains. The best investment period for you is early 2026. Avoid over diversifying in unknown projects. Virgo, Kanya, you should go for research-based investing. Analyze the trends carefully. And your risk is that you might miss out on opportunities due to overthinking. The best investment period for you is March to September 2025. Avoid investing based on hype. Use logic. Capricorn. The strategy for you is long term Bitcoin accumulation. Focus on security, not on speculation. The risk you have is that Saturn will make you overcautious. Don't avoid crypto entirely, but just play it safe. The best investment period for you mid year, mid 2026. Bear market. That's the best entry point for you. Avoid short term speculation, Capricorn. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Signs, you thrive on information, trends, community based investments. These qualities make you crypto savvy, but also you have so much information in your head that it makes you too indecisive. Gemini, control. Avoid overtrading. The risk is that you take too many risks. Saturn and Pisces can give you unexpected losses. The best investment period for you is early 2025 bull run and the 2027 recovery period. Avoid jumping into altcoins, new coins without proper research. Libra, your strategy should be to balance between crypto and traditional investments. Your risk is that you follow influencers blindly and you do not do your due diligence and research. The best investment period for you is stable, gradual buying from late 2025 to mid 2026. Avoid FOMO buying during peaks. Aquarius, invest in blockchain projects with real world applications. The risk for you is Rahu in Aquarius 2025 to 2026. This may bring scams and Ponzi schemes. So stay vigilant, stay cautious. Best investment period mid to late 2026. Accumulate at low prices. Avoid meme coins and ultra high risk altcoins. Water signs, you all are emotional investors. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you like to feel the market rather than analyze it, which makes you great intuitive investors. But it also makes you prone to panic selling and irrational buying. Cancer, go